I'm here with my Dash mini toaster oven, and I have a bone-in skin-on chicken thigh. Let's see if we can bake this in the toaster oven. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I have not preheated the toaster oven. I am going to cook the chicken for at least 60 minutes. So the timer on this oven is for 15 minutes. I'm gonna put it on for 15 minutes, and then after it goes off at 15 minutes, I'm gonna put it on for another 15 minutes. Then we'll check it after a half hour. And before I put it in, I did cover the top with aluminum foil. So I'm putting it in there with aluminum foil on the top of it. It's gonna bake for 15 minutes. I'll bake it for another 15 minutes, and then we'll check on it after a half hour. It's been a half hour now, so let's open this up and let's see what's going on inside. There's a lot of steam coming off. This is what it looks like. This is my first time trying to cook chicken in this mini toaster oven, so I have no idea how done it is. I'm gonna cut into it just to see what's going on inside. The inside is cooked for the most part. There's a little bit of redness in the very center. So I'm gonna put it back in, and I'm gonna let it cook a little longer. This time, I'm not going to put the foil on top. I'll put it in for another 15 minutes without the foil, and let's see what happens. Like, is it gonna burn, or what's gonna happen? I just put it back in the oven. We'll close it up, and we'll set the timer. It's been 7 minutes. And it smells like there's a little bit of burning going on. Let's open this up and take a look. So the skin is browning. See that bit on top? That's got a little bit too dark. I'm gonna leave it in here and we'll see what happens in another 7 minutes. When the timer goes off. It's another 5 minutes later and it smells like there's more burning going on. So let's open this up and let's take another look. Yeah, it looks like it's the same area, but I think this might be done, so I'm gonna take this out. The nice thing about this ramekin is that since it's deeper than the chicken thigh, a lot of the splatter is contained in the ramekin instead of all over the inside of the mini toaster oven. The outside's nice and crispy now. And the inside is completely cooked. There's nothing pink. I'm gonna cut a piece and taste it. It's really, really hot, but it's still very juicy, and it's nicely cooked. Yeah, it's very nicely cooked, so I would say that this is a success. So it was 30 minutes with the foil on, and then probably another 7 or 8 minutes without the foil. You could probably cook the whole thing with foil on it. I just wanted to see if the skin would crisp up, and it did. And so that's how easy it is to cook a chicken thigh in a Dash mini toaster oven. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.